Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft and also love to buy craft supplies. And in today's video is a crafty haul, a very small one. So I placed a couple of orders from Alie Express. Finally, this is my first order with Alie Express. And also, I placed my first order with paper issues. I'm going to review first the Alie Express order. So I am in the Alie Express metal dies wagon now. Finally, I couldn't believe it took only like 2.5 weeks to get it. And I was thinking, oh, it's gonna be forever. It's gonna be like a month and a half. But apparently they were available, so I placed a couple of orders. I still have some of the mermaids and the dollies waiting, but that's okay. I'm happy with what I got. So look at this cute topper. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's from AlinaCraft. It's just tiny and so gorgeous. And then this other one, some of my pen pals, they have gifted me some of their handmade embellies, and they have used this topper, so finally it's in my hands now. Yes. And this other one, the heart, is just gorgeous. And this other one is a butterfly topper with a butterfly, so I hope you guys can see, but I am just so excited. Finally I got the toppers. So I am in the Alie Express baggy toppers wagon. Finally, took me so long, right? Now let's review paperissues.com. I came across a video from Rachel Tallman, and she was showing the June swag bag. So when I went into the website, there were also other things for sale. So, oh, look at this beautiful packaging and the ribbon. Lovely. And I love this tissue paper, but yes, I have to break it. I cannot be hoarding too much, right? All right, let's see. Oh, look at this. Look at this pretty card. Make your weird light shine bright so the other weirdos will know where to find you. I love it. I love it. Cute. So paperissues.com. I am going to leave the in the description box below the information where to get these swag bags and what I got, and also the discount coupon as well. Okay, so let's start. So I did the, let me see which one is this one. I think this is the June swag. Yes, look at this pretty bag, very bright colors. I love it. Yeah. But this is it. Let me see which one is this one. I order, oh, look at this. No, I think this is the other, it was like another type of bag that was on sale, so I have to get it. And it comes with this nice chipboard. Love. Very nice. A lot of things in this baggie. Let's put things around. More stuff here. Oh, look at this silver ribbon and white little clothespin or pin. Another chipboard. Very nice. Oh, a lot of goodies here. Wow, that was a deal. Today, February, where the heart is, happiness. This is just came just on time because I have to work on these projects and I don't have that many cut apart, you know, with words, and so this is just beautiful. Oh, look at this ampersand, and oh, I love that. Oh, look at this kitty. It's a miniature eraser. Very cute. Oh, I got more of the clips, more stuff. Wow, it's a lot. And this baggie was on sale. A note. Oh, look at this reindeer. Oh, for Christmas. Beautiful. And look at this sticker. Hello. boy, it's a lot. And this baggie, as I mentioned, it was on sale. So definitely I'm going to put all that information. More hearts, buttons, number 7, and look at this one, how pretty. Let's see if you guys can see. I know I don't want to put my camera too close and then it gets blurry. And these are Project Life cards. Nice, beautiful colors. And more stuff here. Oh, nice. Like a boss. Oh, look at these Project Life cards. Like the smoothies. More. I've been seeing these. I like Totally Love You. Oh, isn't this pretty? Christmas favorite. More Project Life cards. This is nice because I don't have that many Project Life cards, but I love to see, you know, varieties and different colors, and of course pink. You know, I love pink. Girl needs a pink. And this one, oh, look at these. Oh, nice. And rain. Where you be, oh, and a nice rain, vacation vibes. I hope I'm not going too fast, but I don't want to make this too long. This is gorgeous. Very nice. And these are the bigger ones. Sparkle and shine. Nice. More of the Project Life cards. Commute. You Are My Favorite. Hello This Week. Oh, look at this acetate card. Very nice. Funny Story. Very nice. Oh, look at this yellow doily, chipboard, a birdie, tag, together, frame, and this is a baggie. Yummy. Very cute. So this was one bag. This is the June swag bag. Yes, I remember she showed it with a. It comes in a very nice plastic baggie, very colorful. And what is in here? Let me show you. This is just came right on time. Look at these hearts. Put in here. It's like very tropical, like a piece of a straw, acetate, doilies, flowers, and more of the cards. Nice, very nice colors. These are birdies and food themed, clouds, tropical. Very nice. I love these. They're really cute. And then one yellow tag, another acetate. I'll put it over here so you guys can see. Isn't that neat? And then mini. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, camera and a baggie, flamingo. Oh, look at this. Wild at Heart. I love that. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, it comes with a lot of cutter parts and cards. Enjoy the ride. You're so adorable. Good times. And then comes with some of enamel dots. They're kind of enamel triangles. And some of the wooden hearts. Very cute. You can paint those. And this is a paper clip with a heart. Love. Another paper clip. This is the June swag. It's just really beautiful. I love the cards. All the colors are like so nice. They're very bright. Very summery. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so this was my haul from paperissues.com. Love this card. And here is a baker's twine. And also, you know, I love this baggie. Very cute. And the other baggie from Paper Issues. So got a lot of things. And I also show you the Alie Express baggie toppers. Finally, I am in the Alie Express baggie toppers wagon. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye.